of convening having arrived, all members of this House will please report to your assigned seats. All members will please report to your assigned seats. Mr. Clerk, would you ring the bell? Clerk will read the caption to Senate Bill 187.
Senate Bill 187 by Senator Tippins, the 37th, Miller, the 49th, Jackson, the 2nd, Walker, the 20th, and Butler, the 55th, to be entitled an act to amend Code Section 23-519.2 of the Official Code of Georgia annotated relating to eligibility requirements for a Hope Scholarship so as to establish a procedure for students with a disability. This bill having referred to the Committee on Higher Education. That committee recommends that this bill do pass.
Chair recognizes Representative Wiedauer to present the bill.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker and colleagues. Today I bring to you Senate Bill 187. In January of 2013, a young lady named Grace was running down Millage Avenue in Athens, Georgia as a senior in high school and was struck by a vehicle and left with a traumatic head injury. She recovered, but was left with a significant disability. Went on to the University of Georgia and has been going through that process, going through school is at her pace and her abilities as her abilities can allow her to. Unfortunately for Grace, with the 7-year rule, her eligibility for Hope ran out before she could finish. What this does, this simply allows students like Grace the ability to apply for a waiver, and should they meet the requirements as illustrated in the ADA requirements for having such a disability, it would allow them the ability to extend that time to be able to continue their college underneath the Hope program. Does not cost the state a penny, but it gives students like Grace the opportunity to fulfill their dream of graduating from college. Mr. Speaker, I'll yield the well for any questions. If there are none, I ask for your favorable consideration.
You do have a couple of questions. Do you yield?
I will take one.
Chair recognizes Representative Bentley to your left for a question.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Does the gentleman yield?
I do.
Is it not true that I am a big supporter of individuals living with disabilities in the state of Georgia, and I voted for this bill out of the Higher Education Committee, and I will be voting yes for this bill today on the floor?
I believe that to be true, and I appreciate your support. Mr. Speaker, I yield the will.
Gentleman yields the well. Is there any objection to the previous question being ordered? The chair hears none. The previous question is ordered. Is there any objection to agreeing to the report of the committee, which was favorable to the passage of the bill? The chair hears none. The report of the committee is agreed to. Shall this bill now pass? All those in favor of the passage of the bill will vote aye. Those opposed will vote no, and the clerk will unlock the machines. Have all members voted? Have all members voted? If so, the clerk will lock the machines. On the passage of Senate Bill 187, the ayes are 165, the nays are 0. This bill, having received the requisite constitutional majority, is therefore passed.